Hey guys, this is Colorbook Man and welcome to my channel. And today we're looking at the post office mail truck, the die cast model. Let's take a look here. Looks pretty cool. And it has some moving parts. The door opens up. You can take a look inside. Okay. Then we can look at the back of it. And I believe the back door opens up as well. Let's slide that in. Pretty cool. Okay, good shot there. You can find this toy truck at UPS.com or on Amazon. Let's turn this around. There we go. This door opens. The other door opens. Okay. There you go, guys. This is Colorbook Man, and thanks for watching.